Hey guys, welcome to GeekHigh TV. This is Somnath. I'm so sorry I couldn't post videos these days because I was busy with my college stuff. Anyways, this is my first video on Adobe Premiere Pro. Recently you might have seen in my previous videos it was all about Photoshop. And let us see some of the effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. So today I'll be showing you all the glitching effect, just like this one. Alright, so let us begin. I have a footage here which is about the skateboards. I have imported the file here into my project and then dragged it onto the timeline. Choose a sweet spot where you want to apply this effect. I'll be choosing this spot here. Choose the razor tool by pressing on R, or you can choose here. Go into each frame and then make cuts on each frame here, say about 6 to 7. Give a space of 5 frames and make 2 cuts. Alright, choose the selection tool. Remove the clips alternatively by clicking the clip and hit on delete button. One more clip here. Okay, then make a copy of it. Glitch effect is the most commonly used video effect. There are several ways you can do, and I am showing the simplest one. Alright, we made the duplicates of those clips. Now select a clip, go to opacity, decrease it up to 50%, and then scale it down a bit so that you see this blurry kinda image on your screen here. Similarly, go to another frame, reduce the opacity, and then this time increase the scale a bit. Okay, and then similarly on other frames as well. Move to the bottom, and now let us add some color effects. Go to Effects tab, click on Arithmetic, and then apply the plugin to the clip. And this enables us 3 channels, that is red, green and blue. Play around with these values to create your effect. Here, increase the red. Red doesn't suit well here, so let me increase blues, and then green, and move this a bit. Yeah, and why we have given space here is it kinda gives a delay, and that looks pretty good. Decrease the opacity here as well. Apply the arithmetic plugin to this clip, and then play around with these values here. Yeah, so let us see the preview. Yeah, and now the final step is to add the sound effects. I already have it in my project file here. Then place it on the audio timeline and then play. So that is it. Wasn't that simple? If you want more tutorials regarding these kind of effects, you can comment below. Until then, see you next time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, then please give a thumbs up. If there are any queries or suggestions, please do comment in the comment section below for improving my future videos. Subscribe to this channel to be notified for other tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye bye.